weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Richland County, Ashland County, Northern Morrow County, until midnight Eastern Daylight Time at 10:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles west of Savannah to Ontario to near Galleon, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Ashland, Mount Gilead, Shelby, Ontario, Lexington, Crestline, Loudonville, Belleville, Plymouth, Hayesville, Savannah, Polk, Waterford, Butler, Perrysville, Lucas, Jeromesville, Edison, and Bailey Lakes. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Morrow, and Richland.
If we need to go downstairs, we will. I love ya.
Love you too.
Good night. God bless.
Good night.